Hello, grade 12s, and welcome to another lesson under the topic of functions and inverses. Right now, we're going to be dealing with exponential functions. Here we go. So please remember that the standard form of an exponential function is y is equal to a times b to the power of x plus p and then plus q, where q is the horizontal asymptote, right? So this formula is not on the information sheet. So if you are given in that form in an exam, just know you're dealing with an exponential function. So this one was made by me, so please just take it down. So number 1 states, sketch the following functions using the dual intercept method. Number 1.1, y is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 48. So x-intercept y is 0. So y is 0. We have 3 times 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 48 is 0. Divide everything by 3. On the left you have 2 to the power of x plus 1 is 48 divided by 3, 16. 2 to the power of x plus 1 is, how do you write 16 in its factorized form? It's 2 to the power of 4. So same basis, you drop them and you equate the exponents. X plus 1 is equal to 4. X is 4 minus 1. X is 3. So therefore 3 and 0. Y-intercept, x is 0. Y is 3 times 2 to the power of 0 plus 1 minus 48. 3 times 2 to the power of 1, it's just 2 minus 48. Negative 42. So therefore x is 0 and y is negative 42. So horizontal asymptote, y is q. So you have y is negative 48. Let's make it like this. Asymptote is the line y is negative 48. And the intercept is 0 and negative 42. Let's put it here. Where x is 3. So make it like this. Remember, it doesn't touch your asymptote. Okay, this is the graph of y 3 times 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 48. 1.2 we have f of x is equal to negative 2 times 5 to the power of x plus 50. So as usual, x-intercept y is 0. So you have f of x is 0. Negative 2 times 5 to the power of x plus 50 is 0. Negative 2 times 5 to the power of x is negative 50. Divide both sides by negative 2. 5 to the power of x is equal to negative 50 divided by negative 2 is 25. How do you write 25 in its factorized form? It's 5 squared. So 5 to the power of x is 5 to the power of 2. So you have x is 2. 2 and 0. Then we go to the y-intercept. X is 0. So f of 0 is negative 2 times 5 to the power of 0 plus 50. 5 to the power of 0 is 1. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 50 is 48. So x is 0 and y is 48. Horizontal asymptote, y is q. So you have y is q is 50. So the asymptote is y is 50. Alright. That's 48, and then true. Let's just put it here. Labeled asymptote, y is 50. Y-axis, x-axis. So So it cuts the y-axis at 48. Cuts the x-axis at 2. Okay, this is going to be a bit difficult. Remember, it doesn't touch you. Oh my. Just make sure that it touches there. So I know that's not accurate, but label it. This is the graph of x is negative 2 times 5 to the power of x plus 50. One point 3. Y is equal to 4 times open bracket 1 over 3 close bracket to the power of x minus 2 minus 12. X-intercept y is 0. Y is 0. So we have 4 times 1 over 3 to the power of x minus 2 minus 12 is equal to 0. Remember, things with exponents must be on the left, so you take that to the right. 4 times 1 over 3 to the power of x minus 2 is 12. Divide everything by 4, they cancel each other. On the left you have 1 over 3 to the power of x minus 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 1 over 3 to the power of x minus 2. 3 is just 3 to the power of 1. Invert it and make the exponent negative. So we have x minus 2 is negative 1. X is negative 1 plus 2. X is 1. So x-intercept 1 and 0. Y-intercept x is 0. So y is 4 times 1 over 3 to the power of 0 minus 2 minus 12. It is just 4 times 1 over 3 to the power of negative 2 minus 12. $24. Oh yeah, 4 times 9 is 36. 36 minus 12 is 24. Horizontal asymptote. Y is q and q is negative 12, so y is negative 12. Okay, I hope that makes sense. $24. Let's start with the asymptote. This is the line. Y is negative 12. Put 24 here. X at 1 and 0. Y at 24. So the function is more or less like this. This is the graph of y is equal to 4 times 1 over 3 to the power of x minus 2 minus 12. Okay. G of x, negative 5 times half to the power of x plus 20. Okay. X-intercept, y is 0. G of x is 0. Negative 5 times half to the power of x plus 20 is 0. Anything with an exponent stays on the left. Negative 5 times half to the power of x is 20. When it goes to the other side, it becomes negative 20. So divide everything by negative 5. They cancel each other out. Half to the power of x is negative 20 divided by negative 5 is 4. How can we write 4 in its factorized form? It's 2 squared. It's 2 squared. Sorry, my mistake. So you invert and you make the exponent negative half to the power of negative 2. So you drop the bases, equate the exponents. X is negative 2. X is negative 2 and y is 0. Y-intercept x is 0. So g of 0 is negative 5 times half to the power of 0 plus 20. Negative 5 times 1 plus 20. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5 plus 20 is 15. So you have x is 0 and y is 15. The horizontal asymptote, y is q, and q is 20, so y is 20. Now come the sketching. Okay. Okay. Alright. Just have to use estimations. This will be the line. y is 20. We'll put 15 here, negative 2, just put it here. So you just join them. Remember, it's a curve. Don't forget to label it. This is the graph of g of x is equal to negative 5 times half to the power of x plus 20. Okay, I hope that made sense. This is just revision from grade 11. So keep practicing. I hope to see you again. Thank you very much.